I clean my room every day. I clean my room every day. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I open the window in the morning. I open the window in the morning. I switch on the fan when it is hot. I switch on the fan when it is hot. I cut vegetables in the kitchen. I cut vegetables in the kitchen. I make tea in the evening. I make tea in the evening. I brush my teeth in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. I wash my face with water. I wash my face with water. I take a shower every day. I take a shower every day. I read a book in the evening. I read a book in the evening. I write notes in my notebook. I write notes in my notebook. I study English every day. I study English every day. I learn new words daily. I learn new words daily. I practice speaking at home. I practice speaking at home. I watch TV after dinner. I watch TV after dinner. I listen to music at night. I listen to music at night. I sit on the sofa and relax. I sit on the sofa and relax. I talk with my family members. I talk with my family members.